Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm going to sketch a little bit and just draw. I wanted to show you, because I've been practicing a little bit different. You know, these are kind of the faces that I normally do, but I had done her on a piece of printer paper because I like to do this and then I'll cut her out and glue her to a background or something to that effect. And then the second one, you can see the difference. Which the difference here is the longer nose, thinner face than this. She looks a little bit younger. This one just looks like she's just a little bit of something, something. And I did some watercolor as her face base, and I drew some roses for her hair. So I'm going to draw another one, and I'll just show you what I do. I sit here and draw all day, different faces. I don't think, like I've drawn eyes. What else do I have in here? I might have ripped and used quite a few of them, so. What we're gonna do, I've done her playing around, stupid things. Hard to open this book for some reason. Okay, I think because I always have it like this. So what I did, let's see, because you guys enjoyed the drawing of the last one. So I thought, well, I do sit and draw a lot. It's just my kind of thing that I love to do. I'm going to sharpen my pencil. I use whatever pencil I have. I love mechanical pencils. Those are my favorite. And if I could find one, that's what I'd be using. But that means I have to get up. I must have it out in my living room. So what I like to do, let's move it that way, is I will start easy, because you guys know I do crooked things. I draw crooked, so I will take something, anything I have sitting near me, and I'll go down pretty far on the page and try my best to get it as straight as I can. I don't worry too much. And then I'll move down. Now, let me move down. We'll go a lot for the nose. Along. I'll just kind of go like that. And maybe we'll go like that. And you can see I kind of go over to this way a little bit. I don't know why. And then, I showed you this in my other one, but I'm going to do I'm just going to keep drawing because I draw different every single time. So it's completely what you want to do. So then I just kind of go in the middle and draw a line going down the middle. And then what I like to do, and you can measure, I will put this like this, and then I will kind of judge evenness. So we'll say I'll do the eye, because you want like an eye in the middle, and you can measure if you're really, I'm just not into that measuring. You want them to be about as far apart as you make them, give or take. I'm not going to worry too much about it. And then what I did with the one was I made this, instead of doing the eyeball, which sometimes I'll do the circle in here, why is my lighting so messed up today? It's really like bad. Let's see how far this will work. I don't see, there's like shadow and I hate that. I'm just gonna have to go with it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and kind of make her eyelid here. So you can see it's kind of long, and I'm not going to worry about that too much right now because I can edit that, but I'm not going to go above that line. I'm going to kind of say like that. Then I'm going to put an eyeball in, and I'm just going to kind of judge. I don't want it too big. Just want it kind of circle-like in the middle as much as I can. Obviously, this one's better than that last one. I don't know what was going on there. It's like a smush. Don't be afraid to erase. Don't be afraid to erase. Just do a circle. And then I'll come down like that. And the same here. That just gives me my idea of where I wanted my, you know, where my line was. So I come around there. And you see, and I can see that this one's bigger, so I can go in and just kind of edit that down just a little bit. And then I'll take from this corner, obviously, to this corner. And then the same here. And you see how we're getting a little bit? And then I'll go in the middle, as, you know, as close to the middle as I can find, and I'll put like a dot like that. And I'll do a dot like here. Because our pupil, you know, is always in the middle. So now I kind of will bring it up like that for now. I'm not doing a cat, we're just kind of getting the idea. And the same thing kind of here. I'll just kind of make it circle-like, as circle as I can. And then I'm going to go from this corner to this corner, and I'm going to make an eyelid that's kind of closed. Cuts off some of that eye. And I just scribble in for now. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, and you kind of see, so now I'm going to go here where I can see that I need a little bit more of a pupil, and I'll just keep kind of going outside of it a little bit. Like that, just a little bit, nothing massive. So now I will take an eraser, and I like using I use every eraser. Like this is one of my favorites, which is a Faber-Castell Dust Free. But I'm going to go in and I'm going to erase this line, like these lines around that I did. And then kind of under here. Obviously, this is going to be a smaller face. I'm not going that massive, but I'm going to go in and erase the top of the eyelid for now, just to show you. That you can see the eye better. And you see how we kind of have the eye? I can see here I need a little bit more erased down. Remember, you can always draw again. And then I can see better if I want more, let me erase. I don't know if I have any eraser left. I want this a little less wide, the pupil, because the eye's small. So I'll just go in, start in the middle again, I'll move it down. I erase a lot. Don't be afraid to erase, but you see how that makes it better. And then over here, I'll do the same thing. I'll just kind of start with that circle and then go around. Bring it down. Then I will go in, and now I'll add that top kind of like part of the eye. And you can make it closer to the eye. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it here. Kind of scribble it up. And now I'm gonna go in and firm up this where I had drawn my eyeball. See how it comes to life? Call me Evanescence. What was that band's name? Oh my God, Cal, I'm so old. I'm making stupid jokes. Okay, so I gotta take my eraser. Where's my good eraser? Oh, eraser, where are you? Here we are. Bam. This is from Pentel. It is a click eraser. I can't speak today. But it is so nice because you can make it go in or out. Just use that. All right. And I can get in that little area. And if I want to erase some of that, I'm sorry, I don't feel well. Okay. And you just kind of erase it till you get what you're wanting, or the look that you're wanting. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Now I'm going to kind of go in. This is all I'm going to do for today. And then tomorrow I'll come in. And if you're interested, this is just for people who are new to drawing or want to try out, you know, something like this. It's no, you know, no big deal. But I'm just keeping this like this. We'll go back and like edit once everything else is drawn. But I am going to go in because a lot of people get freaked out over eyebrows. And I'm just going to lay it in like this for now. So it gives you a visual, and you can make them go higher, lower, whatever, you know, whatever you want your eyebrows to be. And we can edit them later. And you see? And then you can go in and erase the rest of these for now. And I can erase a little bit of this. And we have a set of eyes. And again, don't get so hung up like, oh, this is too, don't do that yet. Let's just get the face drawn and then we'll go over that little part at the end. But this is just part one. Let's just do eyes. Very simple. And just how I am not an artist by no stretch of the imagination. I do whimsy girls. I don't do a lot of realistic girls. But like I said, I've been playing and a little bit more. She's still kind of more whimsical, but we're just going to do one thing at a time for you guys. And like I said, for those handful of you who want to learn and, you know, play around, this is for you. So as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.